In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use automated responses in Gmail. Whether you're looking to save time or want to ensure that no message goes unanswered while you're away, Gmail's automated response feature is an incredibly convenient tool. To make the most out of it, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's dive right in. First, we need to access the Gmail settings where most of the magic happens. Open your Gmail account on your desktop through any web browser. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll see a gear icon. This is your settings menu. Click on it. After clicking, a drop-down menu will appear. You'll want to select the option that says See All Settings. This will take you to a more comprehensive settings page. Once you're in the settings, make sure you're in the General tab, which you can find on the top left. Now, scroll down until you see the Vacation Responder section. This is the feature that allows you to set an automated response. Essentially, while it's called a vacation responder, you can use it for any period or purpose, not just vacations. You'll find an off and on toggle. You're going to click on. From here, you can set the first day of your automated response. You simply need to pick the date when you want these responses to start. Below that, there's also an ends option. You can set the last date for the responses or choose to leave it open-ended. It's quite flexible based on your preferences. Next, you'll have fields for the subject and the message of your automated response. For example, if you're out of the office, you could write something like "out of office" for the subject. In the message box, you might write, "Thank you for your email. I'm currently out of the office and will not be available until date. I will respond to your email as soon as possible upon my return." Feel free to customize the message to suit your needs or style. Beneath the message box, there's a checkbox option saying, "Only send a response to people in my contacts." If you select this, only those saved in your contacts will receive this automated reply, which could be ideal if you want to avoid sending the message to newsletters or spam. Once everything is filled and adjusted according to your liking, be sure to click Save Changes at the bottom of the page to activate your automated replies. And there you have it. Your Gmail is now set up to automatically handle your emails while you're away or busy. Review your settings once more to ensure everything is perfect. Also, remember, you can return to the settings page anytime to turn off or modify your responses. I hope this guide helps you make the most out of Gmail's automated response feature. Be sure to subscribe and leave any questions you have in the comments below. See you next time.